In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a form inside of ConvertKit. So if we jump over to ConvertKit, come up to the top here and come to Forms and Landing Pages. Inside of here, you're going to see that you can create forms, and you'll be able to see any other forms that you may have already created. So what I want to do is I want to come down here and click on New Form. And it's going to ask you if you want to make a landing page or a form. And for what we're doing here, we just want to make a form. And there are different types of forms. If you click on them, you can have a look at the different types of forms and find the one that's right for you. Now, for this example, I'm going to use an inline form. And this here is one of the most simple forms. So I'll click on that one. And here you can see that just by clicking on this, we can actually start changing things. And you can change this to say whatever you want it to say. You can also click on this and you can deactivate to make it say powered by ConvertKit. So you can deactivate that if you want to. If you click on these things down here, you've got a few different options. You can show them a success link, or you can redirect them to another page. So I normally like to redirect them to another page, and I've just got this demo website up here, and I can use this page here. So obviously this page hasn't been formatted in a special way or anything. It's just a dummy URL essentially, but I'll paste that in there. And then down here, I'm not actually going to send any incentive email or anything like that, but if I did want to, I could send an incentive email. If I wanted to attach something, I could also do that there, but I'm going to deselect that. And by deselecting this, it means that people will not need to double opt-in or anything like that in order to be subscribed. You can send an incentive, and that will be a double opt-in, or you could send them an incentive and still auto-confirm them. But just for the purpose of this example, I'm not going to send any kind of incentive, and I'm going to make sure that they're automatically subscribed. Here we've got some other sort of changes we can make to this form if we wanted to, including the border radius. The border radius is that part around there. And you can see I'm changing that there. And if we come down here, this just says what should happen after someone has seen the form if they come back to it. And we can just leave that on default. And I'm then going to click Save. Okay. And now I can click on this Embed option. And you can see that you've got different ways that you can embed this form. And just to keep things nice and simple, I'm going to copy this. So I've copied that, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to create a new page, and I'm just going to put that form on it. Okay. So the beauty here as well is they do actually make it very simple for installing a code on WordPress if you want to use WordPress, but you've also got the HTML. And you could just put that link in as well if you didn't want to actually embed this anywhere. If you just wanted to give people the page, they could just if you just want to say people, look, come to my form and sign up, you could just give them this link here and it'll take them to a page like this. Now I'm going to just put it in here. So going to edit as HTML, and don't worry too much about this. It's just an example. Oops, that's not the one I need. I need this one here. Oops. Just undo a few things here. Okay. Actually, I'm going to start again. I'm not used to this new WordPress editor, but paste that in there and click publish. And we can view that page, and hopefully it's worked. Let's see. And as you can see, the page has worked there. Okay, so that's how you create a form.